I'm your host, Kelly Morgan, indie author and indie publisher. Welcome to another episode of The Author's Mic. Welcome to today's episode.
Hey everybody, Kelly here, and this is another episode of The Author's Mic. So I just want to talk about something that is near and dear to me, and that is manifestation. Now, I'm not a spiritualist, but I am a spiritual person. I am a definite believer in the power of thought. I believe in the power of manifestation, and I believe in the power of positivity. I also think that when you put all of these three things together and you back them up with action, that you can honestly make real things happen in your life. I'm going to tell you a little story. So I recently bought a car. Now, not a brand new car, but new to me, right? And I had to get my tags. And so I remember that one day I was watching videos on manifestation, and I heard somebody talking about, if you want to manifest, you have to surround yourself with things that will help you manifest and take real action. And so one of the things that this person had mentioned was getting personalized tags. And I had thought, well, wow, I'm actually in the process of getting tags. And so I went out on faith, I paid the fees, and now I have, can you see these? Personalized tags. Bright-Headed Publishing LLC. It just got real, y'all. Now, let me tell you something. Getting these tags made my publishing company feel that much real. And honestly, oh my God, the minute that I got these tags, it healed all this doubt that kept creeping in. And now every time that I see those tags, I am reminded that I am committed to making this company work. So, what is manifestation really? What is it really? So, really, it's when you decide and when you want, you take your thoughts and you align them to your environment and your actions until it becomes a reality. It's not magic, y'all. It's focus. It's focus plus belief plus constant action. All of those things equal manifestation, right? And so here are some really simple techniques to help you manifest what you want. And hopefully that's a book sale or a connection or something within the indie world. Hopefully this will help you. So number one, I need you to get crystal clear. Define what it is that you want and when you want it. Something like, I'm going to finish this manuscript by December 1st, 2025. Or I'm going to have 500 book sales in 6 months. Or I am going to get a paid speaking gig this year. Whatever you want, get crystal clear. There can be no doubt when you are manifesting. Now, so surround yourself with reminders. For me, it's a personalized plate. It could be your book cover on your phone wallpaper. It could be a sticky note written with all your goals, or it could be a vision board, right? Those things are constant reminders. I use affirmations too to remind me daily about what I'm trying to achieve. And then take aligned action, even if it's small. If it's, I'm going to get that manuscript done, then write 500 words a day. If you're trying to connect or promote, maybe it's, I'm going to send one pitch or I'm going to connect with one reader. Whatever you do, take that action and be consistent. And then make manifestation second nature. Here's how you do that. Start and end your day with a goal. Ask yourself every night, what did I do today? And did it move me closer to my goal? Number one, if you do a vision board, keep it somewhere where you can see it, right? And oh my God, here is a power move. Why not host an author vision board party? Get together with other writers, share your goals, make boards, talk about the actions that will bring them to life. And not only will you help yourself manifest, oh my God, you're going to help others. And it's a brilliant way to network. And guess what? By doing your vision board party, you just broke the algorithm. All right. And then reframe your challenges. Ask if stuff doesn't go as you planned, ask yourself, okay, well, what can I do differently? And how does this still move me toward my goal? And lastly, oh my God, so important, stick to your habits. Tie manifestation into your daily habits. So maybe every morning when you're having coffee, you might say a couple of affirmations. Or, if you write on a daily, you might just, write a couple of affirmations or do something to help make sure that you stick to that goal. Or even when you wind down at night, you might do something every night. Weave in a manifestation technique into that nightly routine. When you live with your goals in front of you, intentionally, literally, mentally, manifestation becomes less about wishing and more about steering your life with purpose. All right. So, you guys, my laundry list of things, as always, if you are an author and you would like to come on the Author's Mic and promote your book, I have guests every Monday. I would love to share this platform with you. If you are an indie author and you're looking for a way to promote your book, we have a book club. It's called the IRS. Pitch us. We would love to consider you. If you're a reader, we would love for you to join the IRS. All the information is on the link tree. If you are saying, hey, I'd love to write a book, but I am stuck and I am lost, I got you. There's a 44-page free guide on my website. It's called So You Want to Write a Book? Go ahead and download it. It's free. Go download it. Start your indie journey. If you are interested in supporting me, I have two books out there, Wait for It and You Sound White. Both are available wherever good books are sold, but you can get them on my website. I will sign those bad boys for you, and I even offer free shipping. So, you guys, I just wanted to say that I am a big, big, big advocate of manifesting, right? And so remember, every click, every share, every read helps fuel this movement. And it makes the manifestation of me building a community so much more real. So let's build something real. Help me break the algorithm and put something better in its place. And remember, for every unrepresented voice that's out there, for every untold story, for every indie author of color that's out here on this grind, showing up in spaces that maybe aren't meant for us, I see you, and I built this community for us. Now, don't get me wrong, my community is for everyone, but authors of color, I see you, and you know what? I feel you. So, you guys, keep writing, keep showing up, keep breaking that algorithm one brave word at a time. Remember, my name is Kelly. Keep writing, and I will catch you next time.